Hello everyone. So today we would be doing the lab extract, analyze and translate text from images with Cloud ML APIs. So let's open the lab in Google Console. Uh, we'll open the lab. So in this lab we will explore the power of machine learning by using multiple machine learning APIs together. We will start. So first we'll have to create an API key and then generate an API key and type the below command in the Cloud Shelf and save the API key into the API key variable. So let's sign in first. Copy password. So here we are. I agree and continue. APIs and services and credentials. Till then, let's activate the Cloud Shelf and we will create credential API key. Remember to copy this given API key, copy and close. Don't copy the below command because we have already copied the key. Let's just paste and see. Do we have the key? Yes. So we have the key with us. Cancel it. Type export API key all caps equal to and then paste. Okay. So now we have to upload an image to cloud storage bucket. We will go and create our unique bucket. Cloud storage. Create a bucket. So for a unique name, we better copy this. You can also give your unique name, but it is easy to access the name. So I will be giving this name. Continue. And here remember to uncheck enforce public access and click and select fine grained. Continue. And then create. So now we have successfully created our bucket. We will upload an image. You can go back to the lab and you will find the image over there. Name it as sign.jpg and see, this is the image I've saved in my device. Again, here the image is successfully uploaded. Now we will have to edit the permissions. Click the three dots over here. Edit permissions. Public and reader. All this is given here over in the details. Let's just confirm that we are on the right track. See, this is the image and there's some text written over here in a different language, French mostly, and the conditions are correct. Save. Create your Vision API request. So we will have to create the file. So we will create this through the Cloud Shell. Type nano over here, NANO, and go back. Copy the name of the file, OCR request.json. Copy it. Paste it here and enter. Again, we have to copy this and paste this. You can also open or create this using an editor in this shell. So here we will edit this. In my bucket name, cancel out the text and type the bucket name you have typed. So we have used this name. We will paste it over here. Yes, and save this. Control S for saving and Control X for exiting it. Control S for saving and Control X for exiting. Great. Now we are done over here. Now call the Vision API's text detection method. Copy this command and paste it over here. And see, this is trying to read the image and we are getting the output. It has read the image and given us the desired output. Again, then run the following curl command to save the response. Paste it over here and enter. Okay. So sending the text from the image to the transition API. The transition API can translate text into 100 plus languages. So we'll create a translation request.json file and then add the following given code to it. So going back, copy this name. Again, here type nano. Paste the name, enter. So to translate French text into English, we'll all need to do is pass the text and the language code for the natural language ENUS to the translation API. See, ENUS is given over here. ENUS is a symbol for US English. So we will paste the text over here. So Q is where you will paste the string to translate. Q is where you will paste your string to translate. We have to just save the file. We don't have to edit anything into it. So here will come Control X, and the file is saved. Then again we'll copy paste the below following command. Again copy, great. So now at last we'll run this command to inspect the file with translation API response. See, translated text. To public good, the dispatches for Obama, the mustard is from Dijon. Okay, so we have gotten our result. The last task is analyzing the image text with natural language API. We have to again create NL request.json file. So we will go through the same procedure. Type nano, paste the name and simply copy the text. We don't have to edit anything over here. So we'll just copy and paste the code. Control S, Control X. Run this bash command in the Cloud Shell to copy the translated text into content block of natural language API request. So copy, paste, enter, again, copy, here you can read it and you can see that we have gotten our output and we are done with all the tasks needed for this. So we will just end the lab. See, we have completed everything. End lab, submit. Thank you.